This Halloween, your door becomes more than just an entrance. It's the gateway to your haunted celebration. With a little imagination and a few creative touches, you can transform any doorway into a spooky, welcoming, and unforgettable sight. From playful to mysterious, DIY Halloween door decorations set the perfect first impression for everyone who dares to knock. Today, we'll break it down into 3 easy steps: preparing your base, adding decorative details, and creating that perfect Halloween atmosphere. Whether you prefer something fun, spooky, or elegant, these DIY door decoration ideas are simple, adaptable, and full of creative spirit. Every great door display starts with a solid base. Begin by choosing your backdrop, something that fits your style and sets the tone for your theme. This is where the transformation begins, turning an ordinary door into a statement piece for Halloween night. Don't stress about perfection. Focus on balance, color contrast, and how everything comes together. The base should give your design structure while leaving space for creativity to flow. What kind of Halloween door do you love? Spooky and mysterious, or bright and playful? Let me know your favorite vibe in the comments below. This is where your door comes alive. Add depth, texture, and character through creative layering. Mix shapes, lines, and elements that reflect your personal Halloween style. Think bold designs, eerie silhouettes, or charming accents, whatever captures the season's spirit. Don't be afraid to experiment. The fun of DIY decorating is in making it your own, using unexpected materials, adding texture, or creating patterns that make people stop and smile. Every layer adds dimension to your Halloween doorway. If these DIY Halloween door ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love getting festive with creative decor. The final step is all about atmosphere. Lighting, shadows, and small details can completely change the mood of your display. Use contrast to make your door stand out. Soft glows, flickers, or silhouettes that catch the eye and spark curiosity. Step back and look at your creation from a distance. The goal is balance, something inviting, yet delightfully spooky. When the lights go down, your door becomes the story's opening scene. For more fun and easy DIY Halloween decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for more creative inspiration. And there you have it, your DIY Halloween door transformation. With creativity and a few simple steps, you've turned an ordinary entryway into a memorable Halloween statement. It's not about perfection, it's about fun, imagination, and celebrating the spirit of the season. So this Halloween, grab your supplies, gather your family, and create your own doorway to the spooky season. Happy decorating and happy haunting!